Hey guys, Mark Holthe, Canadian immigration lawyer, ex-immigration officer, and former high school teacher. I just wanted to jump on for just a few minutes to share something that is happening to me here in Lethbridge. I'm sitting in my office. It's about 5:19 p.m. I've got to hustle home quick on my bike because I rode my bike this morning and get off to our barbecue that the firm is hosting at a different location that's a little ways away. Normally I can make it to the office in about, I'd say a little under 30 minutes. But today, of all days, the days I need to get on my bike and ride home, it is absolutely scorching outside. It is so hot. Some of you think, all right, Canada, it's not supposed to be hot, right? Well, I can tell you guys, it is scorching hot. In fact, it is 38 degrees Celsius. 38 degrees. It is so hot. It does not get that way. We consider here in Canada 28 degrees as being hot, but it's 38. And now I have to get on my bike and I've got to hightail it back to my house when it's 38 degrees. Okay, that's all fine. That's all fine. But guys, it's supposed to get 40 degrees, 40 degrees Celsius tomorrow. What is going on with this summer? It's not supposed to be this hot. Maybe you guys in your country, wherever you guys are at, like that's normal. Maybe that's like winter temperature for you. But here we just don't know how to deal with it. So what do I do when it's this hot? What am I supposed to do? Well, there's a couple things. The first thing I'm going to do when it's going to be almost 40 degrees Celsius is I'm going to put these on for sure. So I'm going to put my shades on. Then what am I going to do? I'm going to get rid of this thing. All right, I'm getting rid of this. This is history. The coat, this is heavy. This is too hot. I get rid of that thing, okay? And then the final piece is this right here, right there. Look at that thing. If any of you guys know what this is, you know where I'm coming from. I get one of these, and I open this up. And if you can see, I don't think you can read this. Maybe you can. It says Smartie. Those of you who are in Canada know what Smarties are. Americans have no clue because they don't have Smarties, but they're these awesome little chocolate things. And then I get this and I load it up. Very good. And that's called a Blizzard. And the reason that it's written upside down is because this one's melting already. But when they put it in the cup, they turn it upside down to show you how thick it is, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, that's how I deal with it. But there's another way that I'm going to deal with this summer because it is so warm. And I've said it 100 times, but that's okay. I'm getting rid of this and I'm going to pop up this right here. And some of you are wondering, what the heck are you doing, Mark? What does that have to do with anything? Well, for a long time, you guys know that I've offered my express entry do-it-yourself guide right here for about $497 US. Well, I got thinking, because we have a scorching hot summer, I'm going to, and also I want to explain something else. I have had so many people book consults with me that have hired me as their lawyer, something I never expected people to do. It's been overwhelming. I've been so grateful for all that people have done for me. They have engaged me as their immigration lawyer to help them through the whole express entry process. And this group and everything that I've created is actually materializing, and it's resulting in more business for my practice. And so when that happens, the only thing I want to do is give back. So it's never happened before, but what I want to do with this course right here is for a very limited time, and this is actually going to end right away, but I'm going to open it up for a very limited time. This right here, folks, 60% off right here. Let's see if I can point to it right there. Oh, my finger won't go in front of the image, but 60% off lifetime access, which right down here, $198.80 USD. That is what I'm going to offer for you guys. This is a limited offer because of the scorching hot temperature. I don't know if I can even show it. It probably won't even appear. Oh, there it is. There's the plus 40, because that's what it says it's going to be tomorrow. Because of the crazy temperature here, actually, let's get rid of that. That's a pain. I'm actually going to offer the course at the lowest price it's ever been. So all you guys need to do is go to www.canadianimmigrationinstitute.com and access it before August the 15th. That's next Wednesday. I will offer the full do-it-yourself guide, lifetime access. You can access it for as long as you want. Your access won't expire at 60% off the lifetime access, which is $198.80. So then you're probably asking, well, how do I do this, Mark? Well, let me share my screen. So I'll get rid of this, and I think this should work if I click on here. There we go. All you need to do is when you go to www.canadianimmigrationinstitute.com, go to enroll in course right here. It'll take you to the lifetime access, and all you have to do is click enroll. And then once you're here and it opens it up, hopefully it will for me, you will see right here that there is an add coupon right here. You're going to click in here and you are going to type in EEDIY summer. Apply, and there's your rate. So limited offer, and really it's all a means of giving back to you guys. And I know there's a lot of people in the group that just don't get it. They don't understand why anyone would want to purchase the guide. Well, guys, the reality is I created it for all of you. I put all of my knowledge, all of my information, and actually I'm going to jump back into it again because I want to show you something else. And I've talked about it briefly. And I'm going to open this one up to actually all you that are following me on the Canadian Immigration Institute. I want to go back in. I'm going to back up a little bit here. And I want to actually show you guys something. I'm going to go into, let's see if I can go into in my admin here. And then I'm going to pick this one here. And then I'm going to select the course curriculum, enroll as a student. This is your view. This is what you guys are going to see. And so if I blow this up big as everything, big as life, you'll see that there are sections for everything, but everything from learning the basics in Module 1, preparing to submit your Express Entry profile, Module 2. Module 3 is completing your Express Entry profile. Module 4 is completing the EAPR forms. And last but not least is the documents and filing your EAPR. But in the member resource section, these first ones are awesome. They cover some of the most asked questions that I get. And then I went into crazy detail in video form, showing you guys what you need to do to deal with some of the most common problems people have. So when I click on here, you can see here that this is an unlisted video that's on my YouTube channel. And when people go to this right here, I actually walk them through the whole process in detail, all the ins and outs of claiming your work experience, how to avoid the common pitfalls. And this is my very, very best stuff. I do not make this available. So this is just one example. So if I go back to my course here, you'll see that in my Q&A section, I have examples of everything. Top 5 reasons you're deemed ineligible. Top 5 things to do before you even submit your profile. How does the comprehensive ranking system work? And I also talk about when it's worth your time to go through Express Entry and when it's not, when it's a waste. And then of course, what is Express Entry? But if we keep going down here, how do I increase my language score? How do I know if I qualify for Express Entry? Or how do I increase my chance of getting an ITA? This is probably one of the most important or popular topics that are even asked within our group and all over lovely internet land. How do I increase my chances of getting an ITA? Well, in this, I actually go through a ton of information and ideas and strategies explaining the pros and cons of doing everything from studying in Canada to you name it. And this is all included within this course, and it is not available anywhere else. And so clients who pay me get access to it. People who purchase the Express Entry Complete Step-by-Step Guide also get access to it. So everything from what is a job offer and why are they so hard to get? What if I don't have proof of funds? How to ensure that my police clearances are correct? And my personal favorite, how dependent family members can mess up your Express Entry application. And then I get into a whole bunch of other miscellaneous things. And you can see all of these different Q&A topics are all here, and they just keep going and going and going. So that's what I got to offer, guys. I am super excited about this. This is something that that I'm doing because of how successful the whole Express Entry Law group has been for me. The Q&A sessions I absolutely love. They have been so much fun. And now because of how many people actually book consults with me, they click on the link, they go right here to my firm website, and my consultations are $300 for a 30-minute consult. And they enter the information and they schedule it. And I have so many. And you can ask anybody who's had a consult. It's not a waste of your time. It's actually worth it, but whatever, who cares? This is just immigration lawyer trying to get people to hire me to do consults for them, right? Well, maybe, but the reality is I have not had one single person that's been unhappy with the consults. Anyways, who cares about all of that? That's not why I'm doing this. The reality is because of those people and all of the people that have engaged me and taken advantage of full representation, well, I just wanted to do something for them. So that is why right now, full access, $198.80 USD is what my complete Express Entry Complete Step-by-Step Guide to doing it yourself. And I just want to let everybody know about it. I'm super, super grateful for everything. I've been so blessed, you guys, unbelievably blessed. I love what I do. All of you guys are just like one big, massive family for me. And I'm not, as you can see, like other representatives out there. I'm motivated by more than just money. But obviously, this is what I do for a living. And so thank you. Sincere thank you for everyone who's made our Express Entry Law Facebook group so awesome, and for all of you who contribute even within the YouTube channel that's now growing very fast, the Canadian Immigration Institute YouTube channel. So this offer is open for everybody. All you need to do is to go to www.canadianimmigrationinstitute.com and you can access it. And I'll pull it up here one more time for everybody. And you can see here, it's a limited time offer. All you have to do is type in EEDIY summer and you get 60% off, and $198.80 is all you'll pay. But it expires August the 15th and it will not come back again this year. All right, guys. Once again, you're probably wondering, why the heck is Mark promoting? We could care less what you have to say, and that's totally fine. I just keep giving, and you know what, guys? It's finally coming back. So take care, everybody. And holy crap, I think someone just bought it. Woo! Take care, everyone. See you later. Mark Holthe, Canadian immigration lawyer, ex-immigration officer, and former high school teacher, heading off in the 40+ degrees Celsius temperature on my bike back to my house to get ready for our firm barbecue that's supposed to start in half an hour. I'm going to be late. Take care, everyone. See you later.